Hi, this is Chris from DrivingLife.net. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning your car headlights with Carnauba wax and FW1 cleaning wax. So which one works better? Well, first thing I did was I divided my headlights with some tape, and I used the FW1 cleaning wax to see how it would work. Then I used the Carnauba wax on the other side. I let it sit for a little while, develop a haze, and then I wiped it off. So they both turned out pretty good. There wasn't any visible difference that I could see between the Carnauba wax or the FW1 cleaning wax. On the other side, I just used the FW1 cleaning wax, and I really got into it. I wanted to clean it thoroughly, but after about 15 seconds, it got as clean as it could be. So here's a before and after picture. Please like this video, and thanks for watching. Hopefully you can get good results cleaning your headlights with car wax.